There's nothing worse than lying in bed wondering why you can't sleep. Introducing the SmartPillow by Cambridge Sleep Sciences. SmartPillow uses clinically proven sound wave technology to guide your brain into deep, natural sleep. It works while you sleep. No suspicious supplements or uncomfortable wearables. Choose a program to suit you, from a full night's sleep to refreshing power naps. SleepEngine technology is backed by over 15 years of research and validated in clinical trials. Fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, wake up restored.